Hey folks, greetings from Hong Kong. 2020 hopefully almost over. New year equals new gear. And in this video, I'm going to introduce you to my new budgetography kit. I chose it specially because I think it's going to be great for hauling around Hong Kong as I adventure and explore the place. I'm going to show you my favorite suburb as I test it out, Sheung Wan, and I'm hanging out with Honey for the day again. And I'm going to give away over $1,000 in prizes. All the details are below. You can win downloads as well as a $500 gift card from KEH Camera. Now first, what do you guess my new budgetography kit is? Let me give you a few clues. First off, it's got a 24 megapixel sensor. It's got a magnesium alloy body and it's weather sealed, 4K video, dual card slots, a tri-directional LCD screen, a mechanical shutter that does up to 1/8,000th of a second, and it'll flash sync at 1/250th. That's better than a lot of the high-end DSLRs. It also has an electronic shutter up to 1/32,000th of a second. It's got 325 AF points, 169 of them off a phase detect. If that hasn't given it away, it also has some great film simulation modes. This is him. I went for the Fuji X-T2. This is a beautiful camera. You can pick these up for like $500 used now. This is the nice shiny metal edition, whatever that one is again. And I'm pairing it with the 56mm f1.2 and the 18-55. So, Honey and I are going to wander around Sheung Wan, show you some of my favorite hotspots, test out this kit, get acquainted with it, and show you what it can do. But don't miss out on the giveaway. I think there's a honeybee circling me from behind. All the details are below. If you head on over to the link, you just need to follow me and KH on Instagram, visit the different pages, and then you'll be in the running to win all of those different prizes. Get involved, let's go shoot. So, turning back the clock, we started our day today with Honey showing me all the different outfits that she had brought along. She was worried she'd brought too many, but I can tell you from experience, more is better. After we'd chosen out our favorites, we headed out to explore Sheung Wan. So this is Queen's Road. This is actually just down the road from where I did my quarantine. And I think those stairs over there could be a nice spot, either for yoga or your red dress. So, do you feel like running up and down some stairs like Rocky? Do you know Rocky?
Who's that?
You'll do fine.
Okay.
Oh, there's so many interesting stairs here.
I like that one.
Why? Where would you be in that one?
The lady is walking down, right? That spot.
In red dress.
Not true.
So one thing you will note about Sheung Wan is that it's really hilly. It's basically near mid-levels, which is an area famous for its long escalators, but here they're famous for their stairs. Honey had brought along this fantastic red dress with a hood, and we just took a bunch of different options here. No real plan, just to test out and get familiar with the Fuji, do some jumps, do some slow-mo, all good fun. Next we went to the first stairs that I saw and just did a bunch of different yoga poses. As you can see, she's in incredible shape. Congratulations on all of your hard work, Honey. I know she had worked for a year basically to get ready for this fitness competition, and the results really pay. So it was great to be able to shoot together just a week after the competition while she's still in such incredible condition.
You're crazy.
Having come to Hong Kong for over 15 years, I know Sheung Wan like the back of my hand, and often I end up giving locals a little tour. This little antique street is great as a stop off on your way to my favorite temple in all of Hong Kong Island, Man Mo Temple. The great thing about this place, apart from being in the middle of all of these high rises, it's super traditional, but they're totally fine with photography. They just don't want any tripod set up. So we headed over to take some shots. Honey had thoughtfully been helping me carry the Fuji whilst I was carrying the bag of other equipment, and we actually went with that, and she just started taking some pictures, so why not roll with it?
This will actually be quite fun. Why don't you take some photos and I'll include them in the video.
Ding, 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 that moment when someone discovers what aperture does.
No, so here, yeah, but so when you, so say you touch the horse, when you push it down, you see the background will become soft.
So Honey was really enjoying the process of shooting and just playing by ear, figuring out what the different results she could get were, focusing different distances away. She asked lots of questions that showed that she was really thinking about it. Here's a selection of her different images. Keep in mind this is her first time shooting with anything that has any kind of manual controls.
I put the zoom lens on. Do you want to try this one? Yes. So you can go closer or further.
Oh, you changed the light.
Given her interest and enthusiasm, it might be time for another Educating Honey series. Let me know as a comment what you think. I managed to pry the camera back from her and got some shots of her going through her prayers. As I said, we were doing this respectfully. The temple is totally photo friendly. They have no problem with it. Next up, I had never noticed this door just outside the temple, which reminds me of a traditional coin. The circle with a square on the inside. So she jumped over and we tried to time it in between traffic to get some interesting shots. Now you'll note the sun was moving really fast. We went from having full sun to partial shadow to basically full shadow in just a matter of minutes. So we headed to the street and got a couple of jumping shots.
Okay, so now we are in a little back street here. Sheung Wan's actually full of these little alleys. This one is dedicated to making like the hand-carved soapstone stamps. There's others that are doing business cards and stuff. I'm a little distracted because Honey's putting on her yoga outfit, hiding between the carts here. Everything's closed today. But I think there's a really cool shot here. If I get down low and then use that vanishing point of light in the distance to basically be a halo around her. So I'll be down low to the ground. I think there could be a cool shot there, and we'll again get her to just take some different yoga poses. That's then going to be our last set before we head back to the hotel and do some boudoir style shots. Honey just competed in her first ever fitness bikini competition, so while she's in peak physical shape, we're going to get some shots for her to commemorate it. I'll probably get you to go a little bit further away, please.
Now, given how busy the alleyway was, we pretty much gave up on her posing right in the center of the alley for the majority of the time and took a spot off to the side that wasn't getting in people's way. Okay folks, so back at the hotel now. Honey's getting her makeup touched up for the lingerie section. The Fuji is going great so far. I think this was a perfect choice for these purposes. Small, light, not something that I'm always going for in my kit, but for what is these days a really nice budget option, this is performing so well. I will get the photos in and share some of them with you. You can download them over at Art Nude Portraiture. And speaking of, this room may look familiar. If you have been following for a long time, I did an Art Nude Portraiture challenge with Digital Rev in Hong Kong something like 6 or 7 years ago now, and I'm actually going to be recreating it but as a full nude shoot for Art Nude Portraiture whilst I'm staying at this hotel, so make sure you check that out as well. Next up, we're going to choose some of these different lingerie options and probably use the backlighting from the curtain there to create some great wraparound light essentially. So, thank you very much for a fun shoot. Did you have fun, our second shoot?
Yeah, of course.
Wow, that was not what you said the first 3 times. You're getting very good at this. Thank you guys for joining us. As I said, the New Year, New Gear competition is open. Thanks to KEH Camera, you can win a $500 voucher or a bunch of my downloads. How can they enter?
Blah, 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 blah. Blah, 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 blah. And subscribe his channel.
That would be lovely. Please subscribe and also check out Honey's Instagram link below. But no, if you head to the link in the description over to my landing page at KH Camera, you get different votes just by like following their Instagram, my Instagram, that kind of stuff. And then it's a lucky draw. So everyone has the same chance. Get involved and you could just win a great voucher to buy a sweet camera like the XT2 that I got from KEH. They've been in the business for over 40 years and have the world's biggest range, so check them out. If you want to see the photos from today, download them at artnudeportraiture.com, completely free. You can make an account over there, and there's our previous shoot as well. And let us know what you would like to see as I explore Hong Kong with my new Sir Clicks-A-Lot kit over the next few months. Are you going to be my tour guide?
Yeah.
Okay.
Please bring me.